In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint on a mobile device. Starting with the basics, it's important to ensure that your PowerPoint presentation is easily accessible on your mobile device for those moments you're on the go or need to make quick changes. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Doing this will give you a nice starting point to access your presentation, especially if it's already saved and neatly organized there. Whether you're giving a presentation or just finalizing some details, having access from your mobile device can be extremely convenient. Once you've opened PowerPoint on your computer, navigate to the particular presentation you'd like to work on or present from your mobile device. This step will help you ensure that the presentation you're wanting to access is ready to be opened on your mobile. Having your presentation up and visible also allows you to cross-check or make any final adjustments before transferring it to your phone. It's always a good idea to double check your work for any last minute edits or changes that need to be made. Next, you should head over to the Help tab. This is pretty easy to find, usually located in the menu options at the top of your screen. The Help tab is designed to assist users with various issues or needs, and in this case, it's our gateway to connecting your mobile device to PowerPoint. After you've navigated to the Help tab, you're going to want to click on Get PowerPoint Mobile App. This option links directly to downloading the app onto your mobile device. Having a dedicated PowerPoint app on your phone or tablet is crucial because it allows you to view and edit your presentation seamlessly, maintaining all the features you're accustomed to on your computer. Now here's a helpful tip. Download the app directly to your mobile device. You can find it on your device's app store whether you're using iOS or Android. By having this app, you're not just accessing your PowerPoint files, you're enabling a whole range of editing features that are optimized for mobile use. This app is particularly useful for those quick edits on the bus or subway, or if you're suddenly called upon to pull up your slides in an impromptu meeting. With these steps, you'll be set up to utilize PowerPoint on your mobile device efficiently. The transition is straightforward, ensuring you can work seamlessly across devices without missing a beat. Dive into using PowerPoint on mobile and enjoy the flexibility it brings to your presentations and productivity.